So over here I have an audio file right here. That is an audio clip over here on my timeline, as you can see. And if I were to press the play button, it abruptly starts playing, as you can hear. But what you may want to do is you may want to go around and add in a fade into the audio so that it starts from let's say a lower level of volume and continues forward with a higher level of volume later on. In that case, what you can do is you can add in something called a fade in. So to do that, as you select out the audio clip, you can see under the volume there is fade in duration. So let's say, for example, you want to add in a fade in of 1 second. So let's see what happens. It goes around and does not abruptly start the music anymore, but it adds in a fade in. So I can go around and increase the duration of the fade in over here as well. So I can go around and press the play button. And you can also see a fade in right here happening graphically right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see. Let me just go around over here at the end as well. And for the end of the clip, you can do the same. So let's just go around over here and then let's say resize this out. So I'm just going to go around over here and then resize this out right here, resize out this clip. And if I were to press the play button, that is what you have, as you can see. So if you want to add in a fade out, you can go around and increase out the fade out duration right here and press the play button. And if you want to remove it, you can simply go around and decrease this out right here. And that is how you can add in audio fade in and out inside of CapCut to add in fade in and fade out at the start and end of an audio clip in CapCut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.